So this is USDCAD analysis for Monday, the 2nd of April. Now, let's just have a look what prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the USDCAD, we have seen the market look a bit indecisive here. We've had this move upwards towards that 129.44. We stalled pretty much at the confluence of the 200-400 period moving average, from which we did see the sell side momentum take us through the 129 level, not as low as the 128.60s, from which we did see the bullish buy side momentum come back to retest the 129. We weren't able to break above and hold above these 129, so if we do see the momentum follow through to the downside, we're looking for the 128.60s to be tested again. A successful break from which we'll look down towards this 128.39, which has proven itself a level that has acted as support in the not too distant past. That 128.39. If we do successfully break the 128.39, we're then looking for prices to head down towards that 127.78. Successful break from which we're then looking for prices to move down towards that one. So then let's just do this. So if we do break down from this 127.78, we're then looking for price to move down towards our 127.56. If, however, we do break back above and hold above this 128.9, we are looking for price to move up towards our 129.44 while being aware of the 400 period average. A successful break from which, from the 129.44, we are then looking for prices to head towards the 130 level, and a successful break from there. We're looking for prices to head up towards that 131 level. Now we'll have a brief look at the monthly chart, followed by the weekly and then the daily. So head over to the monthly chart, we get scale on here correct. We can see here we've had this move downwards towards at 120.63, from which we did see the bullish buy side momentum, saw some sell side momentum come back into the market, but we have seen a strong month posted in February. Had a brief move upwards in March, but it was rejected. Saw quite a bit of sell side momentum come into the market, so we do have to be aware of the sell side momentum follow through, but we did close the month bullish. And the most recent move here does appear bullish. So we'll see what we do, see that follow through to the downside due to the selling that we did see near the end in March, or whether the current theme of upwards move continues. Now, if we head over to the weekly chart, we can see here on the weekly chart, we've had this very strong move to the upside. We've got our lows, a higher low, broke above this range that we're in at 129. Had a move upwards was at 131 level, from which we have seen strong sell side momentum. We've had an indecisive week last week. So we're still operating in shadow of this bearish candle, but the overall trend does appear to be the upside. So we'll see where we reduce that momentum follow through to the upside to challenge the old highs here at 131, bringing us alignment with the most recent trend we here, which is to the upside. And if we head over to the daily chart, we can see here that we've had a move upwards, posted a higher low, again a move upwards, had a brief sell-off here from the 130 with the confidence, the 400 period moving average, posted a higher low still. Brief move upwards again up towards that 131. A couple of indecisive candles, very strong bearish candle just here. We're still operating in shadow of this very strong bearish candle. So we've seen the move to the downside. We appear to find support. We're testing that 129.44 level. So we'll see whether we can eventually break above and hold above the level before seeing upside continuation, or if this bearish candle from which we are operating, we do see further breakdown in prices, breaking down into possibly where we did have this trading range here in around that 129 and that 120, I think it's 126, is it? Yeah, in towards that 126 or so. So we'll see whether we can continue this theme. We've got our lows, a higher low. See if we can put in a higher low still, and see further upside continuation here on the USDCAD. And with that said, that wraps up USDCAD analysis. Thanks for watching.